Hi, welcome to the Good Food Baddie channel. I'm Capri Lilly, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own hummus from scratch. I'll actually be showing you how to make two types of hummus. We're gonna make cilantro jalapeno hummus and roasted red pepper hummus. Once I learned how to make hummus at home, it was a game changer. I completely stopped buying hummus from the grocery store and I've never looked back. I always found hummus at the grocery store to have a pasty consistency and lack flavor. And you avoid all of that when you make it at home, and you know exactly what's in it. No hidden ingredients, no added sugars, no preservatives. So let's get started. We'll need 1 can of chickpeas rinsed and drained, 2 to 3 lemons, 1 bunch of cilantro, and 2 jalapenos. We'll use 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a half a teaspoon of cumin. We'll need a half a cup of tahini, and I like to use Trader Joe's organic tahini. I like to use roasted garlic because it makes the hummus more savory, and we'll need our roasted red pepper. First, we'll put 2 cloves of roasted garlic, 2 squeezed lemons, and a half teaspoon of salt into the food processor and blend for 1 minute. Now add the tahini and blend until it is a thick, creamy texture. Be sure to scrape down the sides and bottom so the tahini is properly blended. Now add the roasted red pepper. Next, add the half teaspoon of cumin, and then you'll blend until smooth. This should be the color and consistency you're looking for, and then we'll add the chickpeas and blend for about a minute. Now we'll continue to blend for 1 to 2 minutes and drizzle in olive oil. Always remember to scrape down the sides to make sure you're getting all the ingredients mixed well. So now we have this creamy hummus, and before it's finished we have to taste it to make sure it's good and make any adjustments that we need. So I'm going to taste this and see if it needs a little bit more salt or lemon. It's so good already, but it needs just a bit more lemon and salt. And the trick to making really good hummus and making it super creamy is to add a couple teaspoons of ice cold water. Now I don't know why this is a thing, but it's an ancient secret and it actually works. So I'm going to add just a couple teaspoons of ice cold water to my hummus. And we're just going to blend this for just a couple more seconds. And there you have it. Now we have our roasted red pepper hummus. The steps for the cilantro jalapeno hummus are exactly the same. The only difference is that we're adding jalapeno, cilantro, and a bit of lime. We're going to add about a half bunch of cilantro. Make sure to cut off the stems. Next, we'll add 2 jalapenos. We want to be sure to remove the seeds and veins before putting them into the food processor. This way, we'll still have the delicious jalapeno taste, but it won't pack as much heat. And this is where we add some zest. Squeeze a half of lime into the hummus and blend for just a minute. And now we're all finished. So now we have our roasted red pepper hummus and our cilantro jalapeno hummus. And the last thing you do is just drizzle with olive oil and then top it off with some cilantro, parsley, or paprika, and enjoy. You can have this with your favorite chips, celery, carrots, whatever fruit or vegetables you prefer. And hummus lasts in the fridge for about 1 week, so you can enjoy this as a snack all throughout your week. I hope you like this video. I post videos weekly. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.